A workspace is a collection of standard settings that control how the program works. There is one TDOT workspace set up for ORD and it's called TDOT_standards. The workspace contains the TDOT CAD standards such as cells, color tables, DGN libs, fonts, scales, seed files, sheet borders, and template library, and other items. This workspace should be used for all projects, no matter the discipline or the type of project. Go ahead and select the TDOT Standards workspace and notice that 5 default worksets populate in the drop-down menu. A workset is a project folder where the user will store all project files. Essentially, a workset will be created for each project based off one of the 3 templates: roadway, STID, or structures. There are also 2 additional worksets created for training purposes only, SUDA and survey. For this class, we're going to create a new workset based off the roadway template. Go ahead and select Create Workset. That'll open the Create Workset window. We're going to give our workset a name of 123456.00 underscored initials, and you will enter your initials. We're going to select the roadway underscore template as the template to base our workset off of. Once you have that selected, go ahead and click OK. Your newly created workset should now appear on the top of the screen. We will use this workset throughout the fundamentals manual. The next thing we're going to look at are the workset properties on the right side of the screen. There are 5 workset properties that have been set up in the TDOT ORD workspace: begin log mile, end log mile, federal project number, state project number 1, and state project number 2. These are linked to annotation labels, which we'll see later in the class. We're going to set 2 of these fields. Go ahead and open the Advanced Properties under the Properties drop-down arrow. Within the Edit Workset window, we're going to fill in a federal project number of F123456.00 and a state project number 1 of S123456.00. Once you have those keyed in, go ahead and click OK, and notice that the 2 fields have populated on the right side of the screen. Now you should have 4 class files that go along with the fundamentals manual. I have them saved currently to my desktop, but we're going to move these files into the workset folder that was just created. Before we do that, open the View tab and make sure your Hidden Items toggle is turned on. This is because the location that we are moving them to is hidden by default. Once you have done that, go ahead and highlight the 4 files and copy them. Then we're going to open the following location to our C drive: Program Data, Bentley, Open Roads Designer CE, Configuration, Workspaces, TDOT_standards, Worksets. Notice there are 3 new items added to this location based on the creation of the new workset. You should see your workset with your initials added here. There's a folder, a configuration file, and a .dgnws file, which is a DGN workset file. Go ahead and open the folder and notice that there are 3 subfolders: DGN, Out, and Standards. We're going to copy those 4 class files into the DGN folder, so go ahead and paste. By default, this is the location where any new DGN file that you create would be stored. For now, we'll just minimize the File Explorer because we'll utilize it again later.